Small business owners, in this video, I am sharing with you one of my absolute favorite tips to help you post consistently, maximize efforts, and eliminate the pressure of having to come up with content for Facebook posts on a daily basis. All for free and for about 30 minutes a week. This tip has honestly saved me countless hours and relieved some of that, oh crap, I forgot to post something on Facebook this week stress. So if this sounds like something that you could use in your life, a set it and forget it technique, then tune in. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and my channel is all about sharing marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. Every Monday, I release a new video with information that can help you grow your business. Every Monday, I release a new video, so if you'd like to stay up to date with the content and information that I'm putting out there, I highly recommend that you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. I recently had a girlfriend ask me, girl, what time do you wake up in the morning? I saw that you shared your Facebook video at 5:30 this morning. Y'all, I'm about to share a little secret with you. I actually schedule some of my posts ahead of time. Now, don't get me wrong, I do wake up that early to share the post on other platforms and to do other things like drink a little coffee, but if you've ever felt that posting on your Facebook business page is just too time consuming and you hate the pressure of having to find the photo or graphic that you want to share, come up with a witty caption that somehow ties it all back into your business, and then to do it in the middle of a workday or after you've put in 12 hours, well, you're making it harder on yourself than it has to be. There is one thing that you can be doing: schedule your Facebook post ahead of time to help alleviate some of that pressure of having to come up with a post on a daily basis and in real time. Scheduling your post will also help you curate a more strategic approach to the information that you're sharing with your followers and ensure that you have consistency with your online presence, meaning that you'll avoid these lulls in posting that we all experience because life just gets too busy. Never again will you go a week or 2 weeks without your followers hearing from your business. Want to hear the best part? You don't need to download any special app or have any expensive software to do this. If you have a Facebook business page, you have the capability of doing this straight from Facebook. Let me show you how. Okay, so first you are going to want to navigate to your Facebook business page. Act like you are going to create a post just like normal. So I copy and pasted here some text from a previous post I'd done just for an example. And then I'm going to go through and select the photo that I want to use. If you notice, you come down here at the bottom, you will have an option to share now. It's right above the big blue button. If you highlight or click down, you'll have an option to schedule, and a calendar will appear. You could select the date that you wish to schedule it. I'm going to do Wednesday, July 3rd. And then I want to go in and schedule it to post at 12:30 p.m. So now I simply hit schedule and schedule post. Now note that it's not going to appear in your regular post because it's a scheduled post. So it posts it at the top above your photos, and when you click on it, it will give you the option to view it. You'll see a preview. You also have the option to edit the post since it's not yet scheduled or posted. You can delete it. Or another place that you can find it is if you go back up to the pages and scroll down here to where it says post on the left-hand side. Notice it will also appear right up here at the top as one scheduled post. Another place you'll find it is if you click Publishing Tools. Over here to the left, you'll see it says Publish Post, Scheduled Post, Drafts. If you click on Scheduled Post, all of your scheduled posts will appear here. So I'm going to go through and I'm actually going to delete this because I've already posted it, but that's where all your scheduled posts will appear. All right, so now that you know how to schedule your Facebook post ahead of time, let's talk about ways that you can integrate this tip with your business strategy. If you're a real estate business with a team, introducing your team to your followers is a great strategy to humanize your brand. You can ask your team to come prepared one day to take their photos. Nothing fancy. You can use your iPhone, maybe use the same backdrop, or even ask them to wear their branded shirts. Take all of their photos that day. Ask them to provide you with a paragraph that includes their background in real estate and throw in some personal information. Schedule all of the posts to be individually released for subsequent Mondays and call the series Meet the Team Monday. You can literally set it and forget it and have content for the next 5 weeks or so. If you are a personal trainer and part of your mission is to inspire people to challenge themselves and to always strive to be the best, then it might make sense for you to find 5 inspirational quotes, take 20 minutes to write all of your captions, and then release those 5 quotes throughout the month. There are so many ways that you can leverage scheduling your post ahead of time to help you become more efficient with your social media strategy. Now, if you're needing just a little inspiration for the types of posts that you can schedule ahead of time, I've uploaded a freebie for you under my VIP member access. For those of you that have already signed up, simply go to the website, theseasonmarketer.com, click on VIP member access, and you'll be able to download the freebie from there. Now, if you haven't signed up to be a VIP member on my website yet, you'll definitely want to do so, especially if you want access to freebies like Roadmap to Instagram Insights and the quick and easy SEO audit checklist. Now, don't worry, it's completely free and super easy to sign up. All you have to do is go to the website, click on resources, enter in your email address, and I will send you the password to access all of those free resources. Now, remember, if you have any suggestions for future topics that you'd love to learn more about, shoot me a message or leave it in the comments below and let me know. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will definitely catch you guys next Monday.